Well, hello again. It's Wednesday. That means it's time for another update for the session that I did this morning. Every Wednesday, I do a Nailing FX Spot Forex Trading Simplified coming to you from Binh Hoa City, Dong Nai Province in Vietnam here at the Pegasus Plaza. So let's go ahead and get right into what we did this morning. As you can see, here's the schedule. Today was the 20th, or today is the 20th here. We did the session on YouTube, so you can find it on YouTube. Remember that the calendar is provided in Eastern Standard Time, and on YouTube, remember to like and follow. For the training schedules, you should be going to www.tradewithufos.com/OPA. You get everything there. You click on Get Together, and you'll see the live YouTube trading schedule, as well as the schedule for FX Street. So in today's session this morning, we went through the process of reviewing the steps to a trade, Forex math showing how to identify strong versus weak, overall trend and current trend. Then we went into looked at the confirmation indicators, and then finally looked at the confluence with trading using TradingView. So we did some hunting for trades. Here is again the profile that we started out with for finding whether the US dollar was strong or weak, and we found that it was a -7, very weak. Then we looked at the overall trend using the channel and the current trend using the first two moving averages of the profile. Looking at all of the indicators, we then went into the specifics, looking for all the indicators. Once we had identified that we had a potential trade, there was two potential trades that were identified initially, didn't seem to work. And again, I hesitate to put on a trade today because I hesitated, but I did put on an Aussie USD trade. Hesitated because of what's happening in the US. Okay. Then finally, we did the confluence, looking at TradingView, and went into that in a lot of details. So that was the trades that we put on there. Let's see if I can escape from this. Again, always do your own analysis, and you can always look up the recorded sessions. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and get out of this, end the show. And real quickly, let's take a look at the actual trade that I put on. We're going to look at it in TradingView, since it's marked up there easiest to see. Go to the chart. Here's the Aussie US dollar, and as you can see here, we put in a limit buy at 77.13, a stop at 7,700, and a target at 77.30. So it's a little better than a 1-to-1. That's the trade that we put on today. So I hope you enjoy seeing the recording if you missed it, missed the live session, and see you next week for another Nailing FX Spot Trading Simplified session. Have a great trading week, folks.